With all the bad press from Facebook the last couple of years, should you bother to include it in your marketing strategy? In today's edition, I'll give you the facts. Welcome to another edition of Hospitality Property School. I am your instructor, Jerry McPherson. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. And make sure to hit the little bell so you'll be informed when I upload a new video. You won't want to miss anything I designed especially for you. Facebook, the home of family trip pictures, thoughts of the day, and salsa recipes. A great place to snoop. It can also help you sell rooms. A Facebook page can have many benefits for your hospitality property, as it is one of the top 3 most visited websites in the world. Let's look at 12 benefits of a Facebook presence for your property. 1. Increased exposure to potential customers. It has over 2.7 billion monthly active users. 2. You can share information about your business. You can publicize your property's name, address, contact details, talk about your history, describe your property and services, or any other aspect of your business, as well as upload pictures and videos from your business. This can be a powerful way to communicate with your current customers and potential customers. 3. Gather more leads. You have the ability to gather leads in the form of email addresses. They can be added to your mailing lists and contacted outside of Facebook. 4. Lower your marketing expenses. Starting a Facebook business page can cost you nothing. Simply using photographs you take at your business will work. And in some cases, they are better than creative images from a designer. I'm going to share with you 8 more benefits of a Facebook presence, how to create a Facebook page, market your property, and develop a Facebook Live strategy. Right after a word from our sponsors. If you would like to learn more tips and techniques for operating a hospitality property, I highly recommend you join our 6-day challenge. We at Keystone HPD have taken our years of experience as hospitality property authorities and have produced the 6-day challenge video series with many actionable tips and techniques that aspiring and current hotel, resort, inn, bed and breakfast, etc. owners and managers can take and use to help improve your property's bookings and profit. Topics include: what type of owner-manager are you? How to set up your organizational structure. The importance of great customer service. Marketing your property. Social media platforms. Wowing your guests. Plus more. The most exciting thing? The regular price for this information-packed video series is $97, but for a limited time, it is being offered to you for only $7. Sign up in the show notes and get immediate access to your first video. Before the break, I said I would share with you 8 more benefits of a Facebook presence, how to create a Facebook page, market your property, and develop a Facebook Live strategy. 5. Reach targeted audience. With Facebook ads, if you target correctly, you can reach your desired audience. 6. Use Facebook Insights. Using Facebook Insights, you can see how many pages likes you have, the reach of your posts and page, engagement of the page, post performance, and more. 7. Build brand loyalty. Besides being a place to build a customer base, a Facebook business page can do wonders for helping you build brand loyalty. You can increase your property's profile on Facebook by encouraging existing and potential guests to like your Facebook page. Your visitors will receive updates on their wall where their friends will also see them. 8. Increase your web traffic. Smart Facebook page owners use their pages to drive traffic to their websites and increase bookings. Visitors who come to your website from Facebook are more likely than the average visitor to be receptive because they already know something about your business. 9. Be mobile ready. The vast majority of Facebook users are accessing the site via their mobile devices, and many of them only with a mobile device. The great thing about a Facebook page is Facebook does the heavy lifting for you, optimizing your page for both desktop and mobile devices. 10. It's a low-cost marketing strategy. The cost of marketing on Facebook and reaching your target customer is a fraction of what it costs using traditional methods. 11. You can talk with your current customers and potential customers. You can use Facebook to talk to existing and potential customers by posting and receiving messages. 12. Respond to customers' questions and reviews. Customers can post after they stay reviews on your Facebook wall, and you and your staff can respond to them accordingly. This gives you an opportunity to show you're professional to all potential guests. You need to create a Facebook page. The first step is creating a Facebook page for your property, not a Facebook profile. A profile is a personal Facebook account that's designed to share personal information and photos with families and friends. Pages are public profiles that let businesses and public figures connect with fans and customers. Users just have to like a page to start seeing updates from the page on their newsfeed. There are a range of sections you can add to a Facebook page, but not every section will be a good fit for your business. Here are some of the sections you may want to consider. About. It should be filled out with your address, business details, contact information, hours, and website URL. Many people go online to find specific information about a business. Don't let your potential customers down by keeping this page blank. Community. The community page is where posts, photos, and videos from customers show up. This is a great area for your audience to interact and learn more about your property. Events. You can create event pages and promote upcoming events in this section. Home. This is the section where all your updates and posts live. It's also the first page users see when they visit your page. Info and ads. This section is designed to add transparency to your page. It shows your followers any Facebook ads you are currently running. Offers. You can post discounts or deals from this section. This is an easy way to encourage people to come to your Facebook page. Tell customers to like your page and find a deal on it. Photos. The Photo tab features your photo albums you've posted on your timeline. Posts. This section shows all your posts, including timeline photos and updates. Reviews. Under the Reviews tab, customers can write and indicate if they would recommend your business. Ratings show up on the top of the page. While you can hide the Review tab, it can provide valuable feedback to you and your followers. Services. You can showcase any of your services on this page. Once you've created your business's Facebook page, the real challenge begins. You should regularly create content and engage with followers. Here's how to use it to market your property. Respond to messages. With Facebook Messenger, you can reply to customers as your business. Your inbox is located on the top of your page when you're signed in as a page admin. 2. Use insights to determine the success of your campaigns. Facebook Insights is an analytics tool. It's free to use and it shows data on the actions taken, page views, the number of people you have reached, the number of post engagements, and more. This information can help you measure the effectiveness of your social campaigns and how to improve your posts. 3. Use publishing tools and schedule posts in the future. You can use Facebook publishing tools to schedule posts go live in the future. You can also create videos, advertise your business, promote an event, make an offer, write a note, or post job applications on your Facebook page. 4. Know your target audience. Facebook has excellent targeting tools. When you're promoting your post, you can target specific demographics, locations, and interest groups. In order to have successful ads, you need to know who you're trying to sell to first. Once you know your target audience, use the targeting tools Facebook offers. 5. Be personable, not just salesy. Even though you've created a business Facebook page to connect with customers and ultimately to make bookings, Your audience doesn't want to see advertisements. Try to create personable and engaging Facebook posts. Are these making sense? Let me know in the comments. 6. Offer giveaways and contests. It's difficult to drive organic traffic on Facebook, but regularly running giveaways and contests helps. Before you create a contest or giveaway, make sure you understand and are following Facebook rules. If you don't follow the proper laws, you could be in legal trouble. 7. Create and advertise events. You can create events as a business on Facebook. You can invite anyone to these events and pay extra to promote them to a targeted audience on Facebook. Events can be a fun way to engage your audience and turn them into customers. 8. Share relevant content from other sources. It can be time-consuming to create and share only original content. Curating content from other sources can save time and effort. Networking with other sources can also benefit you in other ways, and they may share your content in return. 9. Have conversations. Don't publish a post and then not open Facebook for a week. Create and share posts to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, questions, and concerns. If you're having a conversation with your audience, they're more likely to become your customers. 10. Highlight business milestones. Highlight company milestones and celebrate anniversaries on Facebook. These posts usually engage your audience and will make you seem more personable. If you're offering a special promotion for any milestone or anniversary, promote that on your page as well. 11. Use Facebook ads. The best way to reach your desired audience is to run Facebook ads. While these cost money, they're effective because you can choose your target audience based on demographics, behaviors, or contact information. 12. Create Facebook videos. If you're scrolling through your Facebook timeline, you might notice a lot of videos. That's because videos do great on the platform. One way to create Facebook videos is through Facebook Live, which allows you to broadcast to a large audience for free. Facebook Live is, quite simply, the act of transmitting live footage over the internet to an active audience. In the past, live streaming was typically done on a dedicated platform, but today, social media has expanded the reach of live streaming to Facebook. Facebook Live adds something in terms of honesty. From the user's point of view, it should seem unrehearsed, but businesses need to rehearse and to understand their message. Here are a few things to keep in mind when developing a Facebook Live strategy. Post a teaser. If people are going to tune into your Facebook Live, they need to know when you're going to be on. Sure, anyone in your network may happen upon your stream while online, but you'll see an improvement in views and engagement if you give the heads up to your followers first. Create a rough script. Facebook Live allows you to show a more authentic, spontaneous, and human side to your brand. Still, a meandering or nonsensical video will leave users feeling confused, which doesn't lead to very many conversations. Draft some bullet points and perform a few dry runs before going live, but avoid becoming beholden to a specific script. Keep your content fresh. Not all Facebook Live have to feel like advertisements. Users are more likely to engage with the content that isn't a direct pitch. If a customer tells you that he or she liked the work you did, ask that person if they'll go live for 30 seconds and tell your followers about his or her experience. Remember your brand. As part of your marketing strategy, you should have a brand positioning statement, or a simple theme that embodies why your brand is the best choice for a consumer. Sell a feeling. Dry or technical advertisements will never go as far as emotionally driven content, and a video is an excellent medium for capturing feeling. Building the association between your brand and audience is more important than pushing a product. Consider incentives. Entice your followers with deals and specials that are only obtainable through your Facebook Live. Not only will this increase the potential for conversations through that channel, but it will also encourage the growth of your followers over time. In conclusion, whether you love or hate Facebook personally, its influence for business marketing cannot be overlooked, and every small or independent hospitality property should utilize it to promote services, increase customer support, and boost recognition. If your strategy is designed to your audience's needs, the better your response will be and has the potential to reach well beyond your network. Is your property currently on Facebook, or do you use Facebook ads? Let me know in the comments. You'll have access to this episode for the next 6 weeks. Then it's gone, locked away in the vault, for Hospitality Property School Group members only. To see all the valuable material you would have access to as a member of the Hospitality Property School Group, check out the short video in the episode post show notes. In the next episode, I'm going to talk about Twitter for your business. That's it for today's episode. Until next time, have a fun day. Oh, did you see the last INNsider tips? It was awesome. If you haven't and you want to get your own, visit the link in the show notes.